Hello, today I'll be making 1944 Mai Tai for you. Now this was originally created by Trader Vic out of Oakland. This recipe includes aged rum, orange curacao, orgeat, and lime juice. The modern recipe is evolved into whatever that bar has and kind of making that cocktail work. But we're gonna go ahead and take it back to the beginning. Let us know which one you think is better. So we're gonna go ahead and start. We've got 2 ounces of aged rum. This is going to be a shake and strain cocktail. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that in our little guy there. We're gonna do 3/4 ounces of lime juice. Our next ingredient will be a 1/2 ounce of orange curacao. And our final ingredient is going to be orgeat. It's like an almond-based syrup. It's going to be 1/4 ounce. And then we're going to go ahead and shake this bad boy. You always want to go short to big. Hit that on the opposite side to pop it off nice and quickly. Go ahead and pour that baby out. Perfect. And we're going to garnish it with some mint. Now, with the health department, you're not allowed to put anything your finger has touched into the actual glass itself, but we're going to express the mint on the side of the glass here. Rip it right off and pop that little baby in there with another set of tongs. Enjoy! Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future cocktails, tips, and industry insights. Until next time, drink smart, stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.